If you want to connect your PS5 controller to a device using Bluetooth, like a smart TV, iPhone, Fire Stick, or something else, here's how you put it into pairing mode. First, make sure your controller is turned off. If the light bar is on and glowing blue, it's still on. To shut it down, just press and hold the PlayStation button in the middle of the controller for about 10 to 13 seconds. Once the light turns off, it's powered down. Now it's ready to go into pairing mode. Press and hold the share button, it's to the left of the touchpad, and the PlayStation button at the same time. Keep holding both until you see the light bar start flashing blue. That flashing light means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. From here, open the Bluetooth settings on the device you want to connect to. You should see something like wireless controller or DualSense show up in the list. Tap on it to pair, and you're done. The controller should now be connected and ready to use.